ChatGPT Excel, a comprehensive guide to Microsoft Excel and data analysis by Aquilia Owl, narrated by Fritz Angelo. Preface. First off, I should note that I didn't write the majority of this book. My co-author is ChatGPT. I'll go into more detail about how I used the language model in a moment. Second, all book sales proceeds will be given to a charitable organization. Since I cannot fully claim exclusive authorship of the work, I will not profit financially from the sale of this book. Free book. Interested in more ChatGPT books? Download the next book here. AMZN.2/30DVJPV. Also, download free ChatGPT prompts guide here and sign up for my mailing list to find out when the next book comes out. bit.ly/free ChatGPT prompts or scan the barcode below. 1. Introduction. Explanation of what ChatGPT Excel is. ChatGPT Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and management that combines the capabilities of Microsoft Excel with the natural language processing (NLP) technology of ChatGPT. This innovative software allows users to interact with Excel using natural language queries, making it easier and more intuitive to work with data. Excel has been the go-to tool for managing and analyzing data for decades. It is used by millions of people around the world for tasks such as budgeting, financial analysis, and data visualization. Excel offers a wide range of functions and features for manipulating data, but it can be challenging to use for those who are not familiar with its interface and functions. ChatGPT Excel aims to address this issue by providing a more user-friendly interface for working with data. The ChatGPT language model is an advanced machine learning model that has been trained on vast amounts of data to understand human language. It is capable of understanding natural language queries and providing accurate and relevant responses. By integrating ChatGPT into Excel, users can now interact with their data using natural language queries, making it easier and more intuitive to work with. ChatGPT Excel offers several benefits over traditional Excel. First, it makes working with data more accessible to users who may not be familiar with the software. Second, it enables users to work more efficiently by reducing the time spent searching for functions and features within Excel. Third, it can improve the accuracy of data analysis by providing more relevant insights and recommendations. One of the most significant benefits of ChatGPT Excel is its ability to understand natural language queries. Users can ask questions in plain English, such as, "What is the average sales for the last quarter?" or "Show me a chart of revenue by region." And ChatGPT Excel will provide the relevant data and visualizations. This feature is particularly useful for those who are not familiar with Excel's functions and features, as it eliminates the need to know the specific formulas or commands required to perform certain tasks. Another benefit of ChatGPT Excel is its ability to provide personalized recommendations based on the user's data. ChatGPT Excel can analyze data to identify trends, patterns, and anomalies, and provide recommendations on how to improve the data or identify areas for further analysis. For example, if a user has a large data set with many variables, ChatGPT Excel can provide recommendations on which variables to focus on for further analysis or which visualizations to use to present the data. ChatGPT XL also offers several features that make it easier to work with data. For example, it includes a natural language search function that allows users to quickly find functions and features within Excel. Users can type in a query such as, "How do I create a pivot table?" And ChatGPT XL will provide the relevant steps. This feature can save users time and reduce the learning curve associated with using Excel. Another feature of ChatGPT XL is its ability to generate charts and visualizations based on the user's data. Users can ask questions such as, "Show me a bar chart of sales by product category," and ChatGPT XL will create the chart automatically. This feature can save users time and effort when creating visualizations, particularly for those who are not familiar with Excel's charting functions. ChatGPT XL also offers several tools for data analysis, such as statistical functions and data modeling. Users can ask questions such as, "What is the correlation between sales and marketing spend?" or "Predict sales for next quarter based on historical data." And ChatGPT XL will provide the relevant insights. These tools can help users make more informed decisions based on their data, which can lead to improved business outcomes. Brief overview of the book's contents. ChatGPT XL is a comprehensive guide to using Microsoft Excel with the assistance of ChatGPT, a language model trained by OpenAI. This 20,000-word book is designed to help readers understand how to use Excel for basic and advanced functions, data analysis, business purposes, collaboration, and productivity. The book starts with an introduction to ChatGPT XL, explaining what it is and why it is useful. This is followed by Chapter 1, which provides a brief overview of Microsoft Excel and its features. Readers will also learn how to install and set up ChatGPT XL. Chapter 2 covers basic Excel functions such as entering data, formatting cells, and creating simple formulas. This chapter also includes examples of how to use these functions so readers can see how they work in practice. In Chapter 3, readers will learn about advanced Excel functions such as pivot tables, charts, and macros. This chapter includes detailed explanations and examples of how to use these functions to create more complex spreadsheets. Chapter 4 is dedicated to using ChatGPT XL for data analysis. Readers will learn how to use ChatGPT XL for statistical analysis and data visualization, with examples of how to apply these techniques to real-world datasets. Chapter 5 focuses on using ChatGPT XL for business purposes. This includes financial analysis, budgeting, and forecasting. The chapter provides step-by-step instructions and examples of how to use ChatGPT XL to perform these tasks efficiently. In Chapter 6, readers will learn how to collaborate with others using ChatGPT XL. This includes tips for group projects, teamwork, and sharing files with others. The chapter also covers how to use ChatGPT XL for remote collaboration. Chapter 7 offers tips and tricks for using ChatGPT XL efficiently. Readers will learn how to use shortcuts, customize Excel, and troubleshoot common issues. The chapter includes examples of how to use these tips to save time and improve productivity. Explanation of the benefits of using ChatGPT XL. Excel is a powerful tool for managing data and performing calculations. However, it can be challenging to use and may require extensive training and experience to get the most out of it. ChatGPT XL is an advanced tool that leverages artificial intelligence to provide users with an intelligent and intuitive interface for working with Excel. In this section, we will explore the benefits of using ChatGPT XL in more detail. 1. Time saving. One of the primary benefits of using ChatGPT XL is that it saves time. ChatGPT XL uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand user inputs and provide contextually appropriate suggestions. This feature can speed up the data entry process and help users quickly navigate through complex Excel tasks. 2. Ease of use. ChatGPT XL's user interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. The tool uses NLP to understand user input and provide contextually relevant suggestions. Users can ask ChatGPT XL questions in plain English, making it much easier to navigate and use Excel's functions and features. 3. Increased accuracy. ChatGPT XL helps to reduce errors by providing real-time feedback as users work. The tool can recognize common mistakes such as spelling errors or incorrect formulas and alert users before they make a mistake. This feature ensures that users can complete their work more accurately and efficiently. 4. Streamlined workflow. ChatGPT XL can help to streamline workflows by providing users with a single interface for performing Excel functions. This feature eliminates the need to switch between different Excel tools and windows, reducing the chances of errors or lost data. ChatGPT XL can also suggest the best formulas and functions for users to use, making it easier to complete complex calculations and data analysis tasks. 5. Enhanced collaboration. ChatGPT XL's collaborative features make it easier for teams to work together on Excel projects. The tool can suggest real-time feedback and updates, helping teams to stay on the same page and complete tasks more quickly. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can recommend the best ways to visualize data and create charts, making it easier for teams to communicate their findings to others. 6. Improved efficiency. ChatGPT XL's AI-powered features can help users work more efficiently. The tool can quickly perform complex calculations and suggest the best formulas and functions to use, saving users time and effort. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can recommend the most efficient ways to complete tasks, making it easier for users to prioritize their work and stay on track. 7. Advanced data analysis. ChatGPT XL's advanced data analysis features make it easier for users to extract insights from complex data sets. The tool can recommend the best ways to visualize data and create charts, making it easier for users to communicate their findings to others. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can perform advanced statistical analysis, making it easier to identify patterns and trends in data. 8. Accessible to all. ChatGPT XL is accessible to users of all skill levels. The tool's user interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, making it easier for beginners to get started with Excel. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can recommend the best formulas and functions to use, making it easier for users to complete complex calculations and data analysis tasks. 9. Cost-effective. ChatGPT XL is a cost-effective solution for users who need to perform complex data analysis and calculations. The tool eliminates the need for expensive training or hiring additional staff to perform these tasks. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can save users time and effort, reducing the overall cost of completing Excel-related tasks. 10. Future-proof. ChatGPT XL's AI-powered features ensure that the tool will continue to evolve and improve over time. The tool can learn from user behavior and provide more contextually relevant suggestions over time. Additionally, the tool is cloud-based, meaning that updates and improvements can be made without requiring users to install new software or updates. This feature ensures that ChatGPT XL will remain a valuable tool for users in the future. 11. Increased productivity. ChatGPT XL can help to increase user productivity by providing real-time feedback and suggestions. The tool can recommend the best formulas and functions to use, making it easier for users to complete complex calculations and data analysis tasks. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can perform advanced data analysis, making it easier for users to extract insights from complex datasets. 12. Improved decision making. ChatGPT XL can help users make better decisions by providing insights into complex datasets. The tool can perform advanced statistical analysis and recommend the best ways to visualize data, making it easier for users to identify patterns and trends. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can provide real-time feedback and updates, making it easier for users to make informed decisions. 13. Increased data accuracy. ChatGPT XL's AI-powered features can help to improve data accuracy by reducing the chances of errors. The tool can recognize common mistakes such as spelling errors or incorrect formulas and alert users before they make a mistake. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can perform real-time data validation, ensuring that users enter accurate data. 14. Reduced training time. ChatGPT XL's user interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, making it easier for users to get started with Excel. This feature can reduce the amount of time and effort required to train new users on Excel functions and features. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can recommend the best formulas and functions to use, making it easier for users to complete complex calculations and data analysis tasks. 15. Increased data security. ChatGPT XL's cloud-based infrastructure provides users with increased data security. The tool encrypts data in transit and at rest, ensuring that data is protected from unauthorized access. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can restrict user access and provide audit trails, making it easier for organizations to maintain compliance with data security regulations. In conclusion, ChatGPT XL provides users with a powerful and intuitive tool for working with Excel. The tool's AI-powered features can help users save time, increase accuracy, streamline workflows, and collaborate more effectively. Additionally, ChatGPT XL can perform advanced data analysis, making it easier for users to extract insights from complex datasets. The tool is accessible to users of all skill levels and is a cost-effective solution for organizations that need to perform complex data analysis and calculations. Finally, ChatGPT XL's cloud-based infrastructure provides users with increased data security and ensures that the tool will continue to evolve and improve over time. 2. Getting started with ChatGPT XL. Explanation of what Microsoft Excel is. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application developed and distributed by Microsoft Corporation. It is widely used in businesses, organizations, and even households for various purposes. Microsoft Excel allows users to organize and manipulate large amounts of data, perform complex calculations, and create charts and graphs for visual representation of data. In this book, we will explore in more detail what Microsoft Excel is and what its main features are. At its core, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program, which means it is designed to work with tables of data. Spreadsheets are used to store and organize data in a way that makes it easy to sort, filter, and analyze. Excel allows users to create spreadsheets with many rows and columns, which can hold a large amount of data. Excel is also equipped with a wide range of functions that allow users to manipulate data in various ways, such as adding or subtracting numbers, finding averages, and calculating percentages. One of the most significant advantages of using Microsoft Excel is its ability to handle large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Users can input data into Excel by typing it manually or by importing data from external sources. This data can then be organized into tables and manipulated in various ways, such as sorting, filtering, and summarizing. Excel also has advanced tools for managing data, such as pivot tables, which allow users to summarize data based on specific criteria and present the results in a clear and organized way. Excel is not only useful for organizing and managing data, but also for analyzing it. Excel has a variety of built in tools for data analysis, such as regression analysis, trend analysis, and forecasting. These tools can help users make sense of large amounts of data and identify trends and patterns that might not be immediately apparent. Excel also has powerful charting tools that allow users to create a wide range of graphs and charts to visualize data in a clear and concise way. Another advantage of using Microsoft Excel is its versatility. Excel can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple household budgeting to complex financial modeling. Excel's versatility comes from its ability to integrate with other Microsoft Office applications such as Word and PowerPoint. Users can easily export data from Excel to Word or PowerPoint to create reports or presentations based on the data. One of the most useful features of Microsoft Excel is its ability to automate tasks using macros. Macros are essentially small programs that can automate repetitive tasks in Excel. Users can record a series of actions in Excel, such as formatting or calculating, and then play back those actions as a macro. Macros can save users a lot of time and effort and can help ensure that data is entered and manipulated consistently across different spreadsheets. In addition to its core features, Microsoft Excel has a vast library of add-ins and third-party tools that can enhance its capabilities. Add-ins are small programs that add additional features and functionality to Excel. These add-ins can be downloaded from the Microsoft Office Store or from third-party websites. Add-ins can provide additional data analysis tools, charting options, and automation features. Microsoft Excel has evolved significantly since its initial release in 1985. With each new version, Microsoft has added new features and functionality to make the program more useful and powerful. The latest version of Excel, Excel 365, is a cloud-based service that allows users to access their spreadsheets from anywhere and collaborate with others in real time. Overview of Excel's features. Excel is a powerful and versatile software tool that allows users to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple data entry to complex data analysis and visualization. In this overview, we will explore some of Excel's key features and functionality. 1. Data entry and formatting. Excel provides users with a simple and intuitive interface for entering and formatting data. Users can enter data into individual cells or entire rows and columns. Excel also allows users to customize the appearance of their data by applying formatting options such as font styles, cell borders, and fill colors. This feature is especially useful when working with large data sets that require organization and clarity. 2. formulas, and functions. Excel's powerful formulas and functions allow users to perform calculations and manipulate data with ease. Users can create basic formulas such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as more complex formulas that include multiple operations and functions. Excel includes hundreds of built in functions such as sum, average, and countif, which allow users to quickly and easily perform calculations on large data sets. 3. Charts and graphs. Excel's chart and graph functionality allows users to visualize data in a meaningful and compelling way. Users can choose from a variety of chart types, including column bar, line, pie, and scatter charts. Excel also includes options for customizing the appearance of charts, such as adjusting colors, fonts, and labels. This feature is especially useful for creating professional-looking reports and presentations. 4. Pivot tables. Excel's pivot table functionality allows users to summarize and analyze large data sets with ease. Users can create pivot tables to display data in a compact, organized format, making it easier to identify patterns and trends. Excel also includes options for filtering and sorting pivot tables, allowing users to quickly and easily analyze data in a variety of ways. 5. Macros. Excel's macro functionality allows users to automate repetitive tasks and streamline their workflow. Users can record a series of actions and save them as a macro, which can then be executed with the click of a button. Macros can be used to perform a wide range of tasks, from formatting data to generating reports. 6. Collaboration. Excel's collaboration features allow users to work together on projects in real time. Users can share workbooks with other users, allowing them to view and edit data simultaneously. Excel also includes options for commenting on cells and sharing notes with other users, making it easier to communicate and collaborate on projects. 7. Security. Excel includes a variety of security features to protect users' data and prevent unauthorized access. Users can password protect workbooks and individual cells, and Excel includes options for controlling who can view and edit data. This feature is especially important when working with sensitive data, such as financial or medical records. Installing and setting up ChatGPT Excel. Microsoft Excel is a widely used spreadsheet application that allows users to organize, analyze, and manipulate data in various formats. ChatGPT Excel is an enhanced version of Microsoft Excel that incorporates artificial intelligence technology to enable users to communicate with the software through natural language commands. This feature streamlines the process of working with data by allowing users to interact with the software as if they were talking to a real person. In this chapter, we will discuss how to install and set up ChatGPT Excel to make the most of its features. System requirements. Before installing ChatGPT Excel, it is important to ensure that your computer meets the necessary system requirements. ChatGPT Excel runs on Windows and requires at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of free disk space. The software is compatible with Windows 7 or later and requires an x64-based processor with a clock speed of at least 1 gigahertz. Installation process. Once you have confirmed that your computer meets the system requirements, you can proceed to install ChatGPT Excel. The installation process is straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. Step 1, download the installation package. The first step is to download the installation package from the ChatGPT Excel website. The package is available as a downloadable file in the .exe format. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or the designated download location on your computer. Step 2, run the installation package. Next, double-click the downloaded file to run the installation package. This will open the installation wizard, which will guide you through the installation process. 3. Accept the license agreement. Before proceeding with the installation, you will be prompted to accept the license agreement. Read the agreement carefully and click the Accept button to continue. 4. Choose the installation folder. Next, choose the installation folder where ChatGPT XL will be installed. By default, the software will be installed in the C Program Files x86 ChatGPT XL folder. If you prefer a different installation location, click the Browse button to select a different folder. Step 5. Select the features to install. In the next step, you will be prompted to select the features to install. ChatGPT XL offers a variety of features, including AI-powered natural language commands, XL add-ins, and machine learning models. Choose the features that you would like to install and click the Next button. Step 6. Install ChatGPT XL. Once you have selected the installation folder and features, click the Install button to start the installation process. The installation process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on your computer's performance. Step 7. Launch ChatGPT XL. After the installation is complete, you can launch ChatGPT XL by double-clicking the desktop shortcut or by navigating to the installation folder and clicking on the ChatGPT XL executable file. Setting up ChatGPT XL. After installing ChatGPT XL, you will need to set it up to make the most of its features. Here are a few steps to follow to set up the software. Step 1. Sign into your account. To use ChatGPT XL, you will need to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the prompts. Once you have signed in, you can access all of the features and benefits of ChatGPT XL. Step 2. Configure the settings. Next, configure the settings to suit your preferences. You can customize various settings, including language, theme, and notification preferences. To accept the settings, click on the Settings button in the ChatGPT XL toolbar. Step 3. Learn the natural language commands. One of the key features of ChatGPT XL is its ability to understand natural language commands. To make the most of this feature, it is important to learn the various commands that are available. ChatGPT XL offers a list of predefined commands, which you can access by clicking on the Commands button in the toolbar. You can also create your own custom commands to perform specific tasks. Step 4. Import data. To start working with data in ChatGPT XL, you will need to import it into the software. You can import data from various sources, including Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, and databases. To import data, click on the Data button in the toolbar and select the source from which you want to import data. Step 5. Organize your data. Once you have imported data into ChatGPT XL, you can organize it in various ways. You can sort, filter, and group data to make it easier to analyze and manipulate. ChatGPT XL offers a variety of tools to help you organize your data, including the sort and filter and group buttons in the toolbar. Step 6. Analyze your data. After organizing your data, you can start analyzing it using ChatGPT XL's built-in analysis tools. These tools allow you to perform various types of analysis, such as statistical analysis, trend analysis, and regression analysis. To access the analysis tools, click on the Analysis button in the toolbar. Step 7. Create visualizations. To help you better understand your data, ChatGPT XL allows you to create various types of visualizations, such as charts, graphs, and tables. These visualizations can be customized to suit your needs and can be exported to various file formats. To create a visualization, click on the Visualize button in the toolbar. Step 8. Collaborate with others. ChatGPT XL makes it easy to collaborate with others on projects by providing various collaboration tools. You can share your data and analysis results with others, allow them to edit your files and communicate with them using the chat feature. To access the collaboration tools, click on the Collaborate button in the toolbar. Conclusion: installing and setting up ChatGPT XL is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. Once you have installed and set up the software, you can start using its various features to organize, analyze, and manipulate data in various formats. By learning the natural language commands, importing data, organizing it, analyzing it, creating visualizations, and collaborating with others, you can make the most of ChatGPT XL's capabilities and streamline your workflow. 3. Basic Excel functions. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that is widely used for organizing and analyzing data. To start using Excel, you need to know how to enter data into a worksheet. In this chapter, we will explain the basic Excel functions related to entering data, formatting cells, and creating simple formulas. Entering data. 1. Understanding worksheets. Worksheets are the foundation of Excel. Each worksheet consists of a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Each cell can contain data, formulas, or functions. To create a new worksheet, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. 2. Entering data. To enter data into a worksheet, click on the cell where you want to enter the data and type the value. You can enter numbers, text, dates, and times. Excel also supports scientific notation for large or small numbers. To move to the next cell, use the arrow keys or the tab key. 3. Editing data. To edit data in a cell, double-click on the cell, make your changes, and press Enter or click on another cell. You can also use the formula bar at the top of the screen to edit the data. Select the cell and start typing in the formula bar to make changes to the cell's contents. 4. Using autofill. Autofill is a feature that allows you to quickly fill a series of cells with data. For example, if you type Jan in one cell and Feb in the cell below it, you can use autofill to fill the remaining months. Select the cells with Jan and Feb, then click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection to fill the remaining months. 5. Copying and pasting data. Excel allows you to copy and paste data from one cell to another. To copy a cell, select the cell and press Ctrl-C. To paste the data, select the destination cell and press Ctrl-V. You can also use the right-click menu to copy and paste data. 6. Using functions. Functions are predefined formulas that perform specific calculations on your data. Excel has a wide range of built-in functions such as sum, average, and max. To use a function, type equal function underscore name arguments in a cell where function underscore name is the name of the function and arguments are the values or cells to be calculated. Formatting cells. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that allows users to organize, analyze, and manipulate data. One of the basic Excel functions is formatting cells. Formatting cells involves changing the appearance of the cell, such as its font style, size, color, and alignment, to make the data easier to read and understand. Cell formatting options. Excel offers a wide range of formatting options for cells. To format a cell, first select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Then click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon and select the formatting option you want to apply. Here are some of the basic Excel formatting options you can use. 1. Font formatting. The font formatting option allows you to change the font style, size, color, and effects of the text in the cell. You can select the font style from the drop-down menu in the font group on the Home tab. You can also change the font size by selecting the appropriate size from the drop-down menu. To change the color of the font, click on the Font Color button and select the desired color from the palette. Additionally, you can apply effects to the text such as bold, italic, underline, and strike through by selecting the appropriate button. 2. Alignment formatting. The alignment formatting option allows you to change the horizontal and vertical alignment of the text within the cell. You can align the text to the left, right, or center of the cell horizontally by clicking on the alignment button and selecting the desired option. You can also align the text to the top, bottom, or center of the cell vertically by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. 3. Number formatting. The number formatting option allows you to change the way numbers are displayed in the cell. For example, you can format a number as currency, percentage, or date and time. To apply number formatting, select the cell or range of cells, click on the number button in the number group on the Home tab, and select the desired format from the drop-down menu. 4. Cell borders. The cell borders formatting option allows you to add borders around the cells. Borders can be applied to the entire cell or just specific sides of the cell. To apply cell borders, select the cell or range of cells, click on the border button in the font group on the Home tab, and select the desired border style from the drop-down menu. 5. Cell fill. The cell fill formatting option allows you to change the background color of the cell. To apply cell fill, select the cell or range of cells, click on the Fill Color button in the font group on the Home tab, and select desired color from the palette. 6. Conditional formatting. The conditional formatting option allows you to automatically apply formatting based on certain conditions. For example, you can highlight cells that contain a certain value or cells that are above or below a certain threshold. To apply conditional formatting, select the cell or range of cells, click on the Conditional Formatting button in the Styles group on the Home tab, and select the desired rule from the drop-down menu. 7. Styles. The Styles formatting option allows you to apply a pre-designed formatting style to the cell. Styles can include font style, size, color, alignment, and borders. To apply styles, select the cell or range of cells, click on the Styles button in the Styles group on the Home tab, and select the desired style from the drop-down menu. Formatting cells with Excel's Format Painter. Excel's Format Painter is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly apply the same formatting to multiple cells. To use the Format Painter, first select the cell that has the formatting you want to apply, then click on the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. The cursor will change to a paintbrush icon. Next, select the cell or range of cells you want to apply the formatting to. The formatting from the original cell will be applied to the selected cells. Customizing cell formats. Excel allows you to customize cell formats by creating custom number formats. To create a custom number format, first select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Then click on the Number button in the Number group on the Home tab and select More Number Formats from the drop-down menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, select the Custom category. You can then create a custom format by typing the format code in the Type field. For example, you can create a custom format that displays negative numbers in red by typing 0, red, 0 in the Type field. Copy formatting with Excel's Paste Special. Excel's paste special function allows you to copy and paste formatting between cells. To use paste special, first select the cell or range of cells that contains the formatting you want to copy. Then click on the Copy button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. Next, select the cell or range of cells you want to apply the formatting to. Right-click on the selected cells and select Paste Special from the context menu. In the Paste Special dialog box, select the Formats option and click OK. The formatting from the original cells will be applied to the selected cells. Creating simple formulas. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and management that can help you to make calculations, organize data, and present it in a clear and concise manner. One of the key features of Excel is its ability to create formulas that can perform complex calculations automatically. Formulas in Excel allows you to perform a wide range of calculations, including basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Formulas can also be used to perform more complex calculations such as calculating percentages, averages, and finding the maximum or minimum value in a range of cells. To create a formula in Excel, you first need to select the cell where you want the result to appear. Next, type an equal sign followed by the formula you want to use. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would type equal A1 plus B1 into the cell where you want the result to appear. When you create a formula in Excel, you can use a wide range of mathematical operators to perform calculations. In addition to the basic arithmetic operators, Excel also supports a range of other operators, including exponents, parentheses, percentage, negation. Here are some examples of basic Excel formulas. 1. Addition. To add two or more numbers in Excel, use the plus operator. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would use the formula equal A1 plus B1. 2. Subtraction. To subtract two or more numbers in Excel, use the minus operator. For example, to subtract the value in cell B1 from the value in cell A1, you would use the formula equal A1 minus B1. 3. Multiplication. To multiply two or more numbers in Excel, use the asterisk operator. For example, to multiply the values in cells A1 and B1, you would use the formula equal A1 B1. 4. Division. To divide two or more numbers in Excel, use the / operator. For example, to divide the value in cell A1 by the value in cell B1, you would use the formula equal A1 / B1. Percentage. To calculate a percentage in Excel, use the percentage operator. For example, to calculate 20% of the value in cell A1, you would use the formula equal A1 asterisk 0.2. 6. Parentheses. You can use parentheses to group calculations in Excel formulas. For example, to calculate the sum of the values in cells A1 and B1 and then divide the result by the value in cell C1, you would use the formula equal parentheses A1 plus B1 parentheses / C1. In addition to basic arithmetic operations, Excel formulas can also be used to perform more complex calculations, such as finding the average, maximum, or minimum value in a range of cells. For example, to find the average value of the numbers in cells A1 through A5, you would use the formula equal average parentheses A1 A5 close parentheses. Excel also supports a range of built-in functions that can be used in formulas to perform specific calculations. These functions are organized into categories such as financial, statistical, and date and time functions. Here are some examples of built-in Excel functions. 1. Sum. The sum function is used to add up a range of numbers in Excel. For example, to find the sum of the values in cells A1 through A5, you would use the formula equal sum parentheses, A1, A5. 2. Average. The average function is used to find the average value of a range of numbers in Excel. For example, to find the average value of the numbers in cells A1 through A5, you would use the formula equal average, parentheses, A1, A5. 3. Max. The max function is used to find the maximum value in a range of numbers in Excel. For example, to find the highest value in cells A1 through A5, you would use the formula equal max, parentheses, A1, A5. 4. Min. The min function is used to find the minimum value in a range of numbers in Excel. For example, to find the lowest value in cells A1 through A5, you would use the formula equal min, parentheses, A1, A5. 5. Count. The count function is used to count the number of cells that contain numeric values in Excel. For example, to count the number of cells that contain numbers in cells A1 through A5, you would use the formula equal count, parentheses, A1, A5. 6. If. The if function is used to perform logical tests in Excel. For example, you could use the if function to test whether the value in cell A1 is greater than the value in cell B, and then return a specific result based on the outcome of the test. The formula would look something like equal if, parentheses, A1 greater than B1, comma, true, false, close parentheses. Excel also allows you to create more complex formulas by combining multiple functions and operators. For example, you could use the sum, average, max, and min functions to perform a range of calculations on a specific range of cells. In addition to creating formulas manually in Excel, you can also use some of the pre-built formulas and templates that are included with Excel. These templates and formulas can help you to save time and simplify your work by automating common calculations and tasks. Overall, understanding how to create basic formulas in Excel is an essential skill for anyone who works with data. With a basic understanding of how to use formulas in Excel, you can easily perform a wide range of calculations, organize data, and present your findings in a clear and concise manner. 4. Advanced Excel functions. Advanced Excel functions. In this chapter, we will explore some of the more advanced functions in ChatGPT Excel, including pivot tables, charts, and macros. These functions can greatly enhance the functionality of your spreadsheets, allowing you to analyze and present data more effectively. Pivot tables. Pivot tables are a powerful feature in Microsoft Excel that allow users to quickly and easily summarize large amounts of data. A pivot table is a dynamic table that can be manipulated to display data in different ways, making it an incredibly useful tool for data analysis. To create a pivot table, you need a source of data. This data can be in the form of an Excel table, a range of cells, or an external data source such as a database. Once you have your data source, follow these steps to create a pivot table. 1. Select the range of cells that contains your data. 2. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the Pivot Table button. 3. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, select the location where you want to place your pivot table and choose the data source. 4. The Pivot Table Fields pane will appear on the right side of the screen. Here you can drag and drop fields from your data source into the rows, columns, values, and filters areas to create your pivot table. 5. Customize your pivot table by using the Field Settings, Value Field Settings, and Pivot Table Options dialog boxes. With your pivot table created, you can begin to explore your data and gain insights that were previously hidden. Here are some of the advanced Excel functions that you can use with pivot tables. 1. Grouping. Pivot tables allow you to group data by specific criteria, such as dates or categories. For example, you could group sales data by month or by product category to get a better understanding of sales trends. 2. Calculated fields. You can create calculated fields in a pivot table to perform calculations on your data, such as finding the percentage of total sales for each product category. 3. Filtering. Pivot tables allow you to filter your data based on specific criteria, such as a date range or a particular product category. This makes it easy to focus on specific aspects of your data and gain deeper insights. 4. Slicers. Slicers are interactive controls that allow you to filter your pivot table data in a user-friendly way. With slicers, you can quickly and easily filter your data by selecting from a list of options. 5. Drill down. Pivot tables allow you to drill down into your data to see the details behind the summary. For example, you could click on the sales total in your pivot table to see the individual sales transactions that make up that total. 6. Multiple pivot tables. You can create multiple pivot tables from the same data source to explore different aspects of your data. For example, you could create one pivot table that shows sales by product category and another that shows sales by region. 7. Conditional formatting. You can use conditional formatting to highlight specific aspects of your pivot table data, such as the highest or lowest values. This makes it easier to spot trends and outliers in your data. 8. Pivot charts. Pivot tables can be used to create pivot charts, which are graphical representations of your pivot table data. Pivot charts allow you to visualize your data in a way that is easy to understand and share with others. Examples of how to use pivot tables. Example 1. Sales analysis. Suppose you work for a company that sells products in multiple regions. Your data consists of a table with columns for the product name, region, date, and sales amount. You want to use pivot tables to analyze your sales data and gain insights into your business. To start, create a pivot table that shows sales by region and product. In the rows area, add the region and product fields. In the values area, add the sales field and select the sum function. This will create a pivot table that shows the total sales for each product in each region. Now use grouping to group the sales by month. Right-click on any date in the pivot table and select Group. Choose the month option and click OK. This will group the sales data by month. You can now create a chart to visualize your sales data. Click on the pivot table, go to the Insert tab, and select the type of chart you want to create. In this case, a column chart would be a good choice. Now use conditional formatting to highlight the highest and lowest sales figures. Select the sales column in your pivot table, go to the Home tab, and choose conditional formatting. Select the top bottom rules option, choose top 10 items, and select the color you want to use. With these pivot table functions, you can quickly and easily analyze your sales data, identify trends, and make informed decisions about your business. Example 2, survey analysis. Suppose you work for a company that conducts customer satisfaction surveys. Your data consists of a table with columns for the customer name, survey question, answer, and date. You want to use pivot tables to analyze the survey data and gain insights into customer satisfaction. To start, create a pivot table that shows the count of responses for each survey question. In the rows area, add the survey question field. In the values area, add the response field and select the count function. This will create a pivot table that shows the number of responses for each survey question. Now add a column to your pivot table that calculates the percentage of responses for each question. Right-click on any cell in the pivot table, choose Show Value As, and select Percent of Column Total. This will add a new column to your pivot table that shows the percentage of responses for each question. You can now use conditional formatting to highlight the survey questions that have the highest and lowest percentages. Select the percent of column, total column in your pivot table, Go to the Home tab and choose Conditional Formatting. Select the top bottom rules option, choose top 10 items, and select the color you want to use. With these pivot table functions, you can quickly and easily analyze your survey data, identify areas where customers are most and least satisfied, and make improvements to your products or services. Example 3, Budget Analysis. Suppose you work for a nonprofit organization that receives donations from multiple sources. Your data consists of a table with columns for the donor name, donation amount, date, and source. You want to use pivot tables to analyze your budget and gain insights into your fundraising efforts. To start, create a pivot table that shows the total donations by donor and source. In the rows area, add the donor and source fields. In the values area, add the donation field and select the sum function. This will create a pivot table that shows the total donations from each donor and source. Now use filtering to focus on a specific time period. Click on the date column in the pivot table, go to the filter dropdown, and choose the time period you want to analyze. This will filter the pivot table to only show data from that time period. Next, add a calculated field to your pivot table that calculates the percentage of donations from each source. Click on any cell in the pivot table, go to the Analyze tab, and select Fields, Items, and Sets. Choose the calculated field and give it a name, such as percentage of total donations. In the formula box, type equal donation / total donation, where donation is the name of the donation field and total donation is the name of the total donation field. Click OK to create the calculated field. You can now use conditional formatting to highlight the sources that contributed the most and least to your fundraising efforts. Select the percentage of total donations column in your pivot table, go to the Home tab, and choose Conditional Formatting. Select the top bottom rules option, choose top 10 items, and select the color you want to use. With these pivot table functions, you can quickly and easily analyze your budget data, identify the sources that contribute the most to your fundraising efforts, and make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. Charts. Charts are a powerful tool in Excel that allow you to visualize data in various ways. In this section, we will explore some advanced Excel chart functions and how to use them effectively. 1. Types of charts. Excel offers a variety of chart types that you can choose from depending on the type of data you are presenting. Some of the most commonly used chart types include 1. Column chart. Column charts are one of the most commonly used chart types in Excel. They are useful for comparing values across different categories. For example, you might use a column chart to compare sales data for different products or different time periods. To create a column chart in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab. Then select Column and choose the type of column chart you want to create. 2. Line chart. Line charts are useful for showing trends over time or a continuous variable. For example, you might use a line chart to show how a stock's price has changed over time or how a company's revenue has grown over the years. To create a line chart in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab. Then select Line and choose the type of line chart you want to create. 3. Pie chart. Pie charts are useful for showing how each category contributes to the total. For example, you might use a pie chart to show how a company's revenue is divided among different product lines. To create a pie chart in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab. Then select Pie and choose the type of pie chart you want to create. 4. Bar chart. Bar charts are similar to column charts, but they display data in horizontal bars rather than vertical columns. Bar charts are useful for comparing values across different categories. For example, you might use a bar chart to compare the number of employees in different departments of a company. To create a bar chart in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab. Then select Bar and choose the type of bar chart you want to create. 5. Scatter plot. Scatter plots are useful for showing the relationship between two variables. For example, you might use a scatter plot to show how a person's height and weight are related to each other. To create a scatter plot in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab. Then select Scatter and choose the type of scatter plot you want to create. 6. Area chart. Area charts are similar to line charts, but they fill in the area under the line. Area charts are useful for showing how the set of data changes over time or across categories. For example, you might use an area chart to show how a company's revenue has grown over time. To create an area chart in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab, then select Area and choose the type of area chart you want to create. 7. Bubble chart. Bubble charts are similar to scatter plots, but they include the third variable that is represented by the size of the bubbles. Bubble charts are useful for showing how three variables are related to each other. For example, you might use a bubble chart to show how a company's revenue, profit, and number of employees are related to each other. To create a bubble chart in Excel, select your data and click on the Insert tab, then select Bubble and choose the type of bubble chart you want to create. 2. Formatting charts. Once you have selected the chart type, you can customize its appearance to better suit your data. Some of the formatting options you can modify include titles. Add titles to your chart and provide context and help viewers understand the data. Axis labels. Customize the labels on your chart's X and Y axis to provide more information about your data. Legend. If you have multiple series in your chart, you can add a legend to identify each series. Data labels. Add labels to your data points to provide additional information or context. Chart styles. Apply predefined chart styles to your chart to quickly change its appearance. 3. Combining chart types. In some cases, combining different chart types can help you better illustrate your data. For example, you might want to combine a column chart and a line chart to show how two different data sets relate to each other. To do this, you can use Excel's combo chart function, which allows you to combine two or more chart types into a single chart. 4. Pivot charts. Pivot charts are a special type of chart that is based on a pivot table. Pivot tables allow you to summarize large amounts of data and display it in a compact and organized format. Pivot charts take this one step further by allowing you to display the summarized data in a visual format. You can create pivot charts in Excel by selecting a pivot table and then clicking on the Insert tab and selecting Pivot Chart. 5. Spark lines. Spark lines are a type of mini chart that you can add to a cell. They are useful for displaying trends or patterns in your data. Spark lines are especially useful when you want to show a small chart within a cell, such as in a dashboard or summary report. You can create spark lines in Excel by selecting the cells where you want to insert the spark line, clicking on the Insert tab, and selecting Spark Lines. 6. Dynamic charts. Dynamic charts are charts that automatically update as you add or remove data from your source table. They're useful when you want to create a chart that is linked to a large data set that is constantly changing. To create a dynamic chart, you can use Excel's offset and count functions to define the range of cells that your chart is based on. 7. Chart templates. Macros. Excel offers a variety of chart templates that you can use to quickly create professional-looking charts. Chart templates include predefined formatting and design options that you can apply to your chart with just a few clicks. To use a chart template, simply select the chart you want to format, click on the Design tab, and select the template you want to use. Excel is a powerful tool for data management and analysis, but its capabilities can be enhanced even further with the use of macros. Macros are essentially programs written in a programming language called Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, that allow you to automate repetitive tasks in Excel. In this section, we will discuss the basics of macros and how to use them in Excel. A macro is a set of instructions that tells Excel what to do. can be used to automate repetitive tasks such as formatting, data entry, or calculation. Macros are created using VBA, a programming language built into Excel. VBA is similar to other programming languages such as C++ or Java, but is designed specifically for Excel. To create a macro in Excel, you need to open the Visual Basic editor. This can be done by pressing the Alt plus F11 keys or by clicking on the Developer tab in the ribbon and then clicking on Visual Basic. Once you are in the editor, you can create a new module by right-clicking on the VBA project folder and selecting Insert Module. Once you have created a module, you can start writing your macro. Macros are written in VBA code, which is a series of commands that Excel will execute. For example, if you want to create a macro that adds up the values in a range of cells, you can write the following code. Sub, add values, dim sum as double dim cell as range. Mathematica copy code. For each cell in selection, sum equals sum plus cell dot value. Next cell. Message box. The sum of the selected cells is and sum. And sub. This macro declares two variables, sum and cell, and then loops through each cell in the selected range, adding up the values and storing the result in the sum variable. Finally, it displays a message box with the sum. Once you have written your macro, you can run it by going back to Excel and selecting the range of cells you want to apply the macro to. Then you can either press Alt F8 to open the macro dialog box, select your macro and click Run, or you can assign a keyboard shortcut or button to the macro so that you can run it with a single keystroke or click. Macros can be incredibly powerful and can save you a lot of time and effort. Here are some examples of tasks that can be automated with macros. 1. Data cleaning and formatting. If you frequently work with messy or inconsistent data, you can create macros that automatically clean up and format the data. For example, you can create a macro that removes leading and trailing spaces, converts text to lowercase, or reorders columns. 2. Data analysis and reporting. If you need to analyze data on a regular basis, you can create macros that generate charts, tables, or reports based on the data. For example, you can create a macro that generates a pivot table or chart based on a set of data. 3. Data entry. If you need to enter data into Excel on a regular basis, you can create macros that automate the data entry process. For example, you can create a macro that fills in a series of cells with a specific value, or that automatically copies and pastes data from one worksheet to another. 4. Custom functions. If you need to perform a specific calculation or operation that Excel doesn't provide a built-in function for, you can create your own custom function using VBA. For example, you can create a custom function that calculates the distance between 2 points in a three-dimensional space. There are some important things to keep in mind when using macros in Excel. First, macros can be dangerous if not written carefully. They can potentially cause errors, overwrite data, or even delete entire worksheets or workbooks. Therefore, it's important to test your macros thoroughly before using them on important data and to make sure that you understand what each line of code does. Second, macros can be disabled or blocked by security settings in Excel or in your computer's operating system. This is because macros can be used to execute malicious code or viruses. Therefore, it's important to only enable macros from trusted sources and to keep your computer security software up to date. Third, macros can be slow to run if they involve a large amount of data or complex calculations. This is because each line of code in the macro must be executed sequentially. Therefore, it's important to optimize your macros for speed by using efficient algorithms and minimizing the number of operations. Finally, macros can be difficult to maintain if they are not well documented or organized. It's important to use clear and descriptive variable names, to write comments explaining what each section of code does, and to separate your code into logical modules or functions. In addition to creating your own macros, you can also download and use pre-built macros from online sources. These macros can range from simple formatting or calculation tools to complex data analysis or visualization tools. However, it's important to only download macros from trusted sources to test them thoroughly before using them on important data. In conclusion, macros are a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks and enhancing the capabilities of Excel. They can save you a lot of time and effort and can be used for a wide range of tasks, from data cleaning and formatting to custom calculations and reporting. However, macros can also be dangerous if not used carefully and can be slow or difficult to maintain if not well designed. Therefore, it's important to understand the basics of VBA and to use best practices when creating and using macros in Excel. 5. ChatGPT Excel for Business. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including business. It is an essential tool that can help you streamline your work and increase your productivity. In this section, we will explore how to use ChatGPT Excel for business purposes. Financial analysis. One of the most popular uses of ChatGPT Excel in business is for financial analysis. With Excel, you can easily create financial models, perform financial calculations, and analyze financial data. This makes it an indispensable tool for financial analysts and accountants. For example, you can use Excel to calculate key financial ratios such as the debt to equity ratio, return on investment, ROI, and net present value, NPV. Excel's built-in financial functions make it easy to calculate these ratios and other financial metrics. By using Excel's if, and, or, and sum functions, you can create sophisticated financial models that incorporate multiple variables and scenarios. Financial models can be used to evaluate investment opportunities, assess the impact of different financial decisions, and estimate the potential risks and rewards of different strategies. Budgeting and forecasting. Another key use of ChatGPT Excel in business is for budgeting and forecasting. With Excel, you can create detailed budgets and forecasts, which can help you plan and manage your finances more effectively. For example, you can use Excel to create a budget for your business, which includes income, expenses, and cash flow projections. You can also use Excel to create a sales forecast, which can help you plan for future growth. ChatGPT Excel offers several forecasting functions, such as trend, forecast, and growth, that can be used to generate projections based on past data. The budgeting process can also be streamlined using Excel. By using formulas and functions, ChatGPT Excel can automatically calculate budgeted amounts for different line items, saving time and reducing errors. Data analysis. Excel is also an excellent tool for data analysis. With its powerful data analysis tools, you can easily analyze large amounts of data and extract insights that can help you make better business decisions. For example, you can use Excel to create pivot tables which allow you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data quickly. You can also use Excel's charting tools to create visual representations of your data, which can help you identify trends and patterns. ChatGPT Excel offers an array of functions that make it easy to calculate these ratios. For instance, by using the sum and divide functions, you can quickly calculate ratios like the debt to equity ratio, the current ratio, and the quick ratio. Additionally, the trend function can be used to identify trends in financial statements, making it easier to identify areas of concern. Project management. Excel is also a great tool for project management. With Excel, you can create project plans, track tasks and deadlines, and monitor progress. For example, you can use Excel to create a Gantt chart, which is a visual representation of your project timeline. You can also use Excel to track the status of tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. ChatGPT XL offers a wide range of data visualization tools, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and scatter charts. By using Excel's charting functions, users can create customized charts that highlight key financial trends and insights. Collaboration. Excel is also an excellent tool for collaboration. With Excel, you can share spreadsheets with others, which allows you to work together more effectively. For example, you can use Excel's co-authoring feature to collaborate on a spreadsheet in real time with other team members. You can also use Excel sharing features to share spreadsheets with others, which allows them to view and edit the spreadsheet. Tips for using Excel in business. Here are some tips for using ChatGPT XL effectively in business. 1. Use Excel templates. Excel offers a variety of templates for business purposes, such as budget templates, project management templates, and financial analysis templates. Using these templates can save you time and ensure that you are using best practices. 2. Learn Excel shortcuts. Excel offers a variety of keyboard shortcuts that can help you work more efficiently. For example, pressing Ctrl C copies selected cells, and pressing Ctrl V pastes the copied cells. 3. Use conditional formatting. Excel's conditional formatting feature allows you to apply formatting to cells based on certain conditions. For example, you can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain values above or below a certain threshold. 4. Protect your spreadsheets. Excel allows you to protect your spreadsheets with a password, which can help prevent unauthorized access and changes. Conclusion. ChatGPT XL is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of business purposes, including financial analysis, budgeting, forecasting, data analysis, project management, and collaboration. By using Excel effectively, you can streamline your work, increase your productivity, and make better business decisions. With the tips and tricks outlined in this section, you can become a master of ChatGPT XL and use it to take your business to the next level. 6. Collaborating with ChatGPT XL. Explanation of how to collaborate with others using ChatGPT. Collaboration is an essential aspect of working with Microsoft Excel. Excel allows multiple users to work on a single document simultaneously, which enables teams to work together on a project more efficiently. ChatGPT XL takes collaboration to the next level by offering a range of collaborative features that make working together on Excel documents easier and more effective than ever before. In this chapter, we'll explore the different ways that you can collaborate with others using ChatGPT XL, including co-authoring, commenting, and sharing features. We'll also discuss best practices for collaborating on Excel documents and offer some tips for ensuring a seamless and productive collaborative experience. Co-authoring. One of the most significant benefits of using ChatGPT XL for collaboration is its co-authoring feature. Co-authoring allows multiple users to work on the same Excel document simultaneously in real time. With co-authoring, each person can see what the others are doing, making it easier to collaborate and make changes to the document. To use co-authoring in ChatGPT XL, you'll need to save the document to OneDrive or SharePoint, both of which are cloud-based storage solutions that integrate seamlessly with ChatGPT XL. Once the document is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, multiple users can open it at the same time and start working on it together. When you're co-authoring a document, you'll see the changes that other users are making in real time. You can also chat with other users directly in the document using the built-in chat feature. This makes it easy to communicate with your team members, ask questions, and collaborate on the document together. Commenting. Another way to collaborate with others using ChatGPT XL is through commenting. Commenting allows you to leave feedback or notes on specific cells or sections of the document. You can use comments to provide suggestions or ask questions, and other users can reply to your comments, creating a dialogue that can help improve the document. To add a comment to an Excel cell, simply select the cell and click on the Review tab. From there, click on New Comment and a comment box will appear. Type your comment in the box and click Post. Other users will be able to see your comment and reply to it directly in the document. Sharing. Sharing is another important feature of ChatGPT Excel that makes collaboration easy. Sharing allows you to send a copy of the document to other users, either by email or by creating a link that they can access directly. You can also set permissions for each user, allowing you to control who can edit, view, or comment on the document. To share an Excel document using ChatGPT Excel, simply click on the Share button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From there, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the document with or create a link that you can share via email, chat, or other messaging services. You can also set permissions for each user, allowing you to control who can edit, view, or comment on the document. Best practices for collaborating on Excel documents. Collaborating on Excel documents can be challenging, but there are some best practices that you can follow to ensure a seamless and productive experience. First, it's important to establish clear communication channels with your team members. Whether you're using the chat feature in ChatGPT XL or another messaging service, make sure everyone knows how to communicate and what to do if they encounter any issues. Second, it's essential to set expectations for how the document will be used and what each team member is responsible for. This can help prevent conflicts and ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal. Finally, it's important to keep the document organized and up to date. This means regularly updating the document, removing outdated information, and making sure that everyone has access to the most current version. You may want to designate one person as the owner of the document who is responsible for making updates and ensuring that the document is up to date. Tips for collaborating on Excel documents. Here are some additional tips to help you collaborate effectively on Excel documents using ChatGPT Excel. 1. Use cell locking and protection features to prevent accidental changes to important cells or sections of the document. 2. Use version history to keep track of changes made to the document over time. 3. Avoid making changes to the same section of the document at the same time as another user. This can lead to conflicts and make it difficult to reconcile changes. 4. Consider using templates or standardized formatting to help ensure consistency across the document. This can make it easier to read and understand the information in a document, especially if multiple people are contributing to it. 5. Regularly save the document as you work on it to ensure that you don't lose any changes if there's a technical issue or if the document crashes. 6. Make sure that everyone on the team has the necessary permissions to access and edit the document. This can prevent delays or issues that can arise if team members are unable to access or modify the document. Examples of how to use ChatGPT XL for group projects and teamwork. When it comes to group projects and teamwork, ChatGPT XL can be an invaluable tool. Here are some examples of how to use ChatGPT XL to facilitate collaboration and improve productivity in team settings. 1. Project planning and scheduling. Excel can be used to create a project plan or schedule that outlines the various tasks, deadlines, and team member responsibilities. By sharing the Excel sheet with the team, each member can stay on track and aware of upcoming deadlines. Additionally, the team leader can use the sheet to monitor progress and identify areas where additional support may be necessary. 2. Data sharing and collaboration. Excel's collaborative features allow multiple users to edit the same document simultaneously, making it easy for team members to share information and collaborate on tasks. For example, if the team is working on a budget, each member can input their budget numbers into the Excel sheet, allowing everyone to see the overall picture and work together to ensure the budget is accurate. 3. Task allocation and tracking. Excel can be used to assign tasks to team members and track progress. By creating a sheet that outlines each team member's responsibilities, deadlines, and progress, the team leader can easily monitor the project's progress and ensure that everyone is on track. Additionally, each team member can update their tasks and progress in real time, allowing the team to stay informed and make necessary adjustments. 4. Communication and collaboration. Excel can be used to facilitate communication and collaboration among team members. For example, if the team is working on a research project, they can use Excel to create a shared document where they can enter and organize their research findings. This way, everyone on the team has access to the same information and can contribute to the project's success. 5. Data analysis and visualization. Excel's powerful data analysis and visualization tools can be used to analyze and display complex data sets. This is particularly useful for team projects that involve data analysis, such as market research or financial analysis. By inputting data into Excel, the team can create charts, graphs, and other visualizations that make it easier to identify patterns and trends. 6. Budgeting and financial planning. Excel is an excellent tool for budgeting and financial planning. For example, the team can use Excel to create a budget for a project, which can be updated in real time as new expenses arise. Additionally, Excel can be used to create financial projections and models, which can help the team make informed decisions about projects' financial viability. 7. Resource management. Excel can be used to manage resources such as personnel and equipment. For example, the team can use Excel to create a schedule of when each team member will be working on the project, ensuring that everyone is available when needed. Additionally, Excel can be used to track equipment usage and availability, helping the team to avoid conflicts and ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget. In conclusion, ChatGPT XL is a versatile tool that can be used in many different ways to facilitate collaboration and improve productivity in team settings. Whether you're working on a research project, planning a budget, or managing resources, Excel has the features you need to get the job done. By using Excel to its fullest potential, teams can work together more efficiently and effectively, achieving better results in less time. 7. Tips and tricks for ChatGPT XL. Explanation of tips and tricks for using ChatGPT XL efficiently. 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. One of the best ways to save time and work more efficiently in Excel is to learn keyboard shortcuts. For example, instead of using the mouse to select a cell, you can press Ctrl arrow key to move to the next or previous cell. This saves a lot of time and is much easier than using the mouse. 2. Use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on certain criteria. For example, you can use it to highlight cells that contain certain values or to format cells based on their value relative to other cells. This makes it easy to spot important data and trends in your spreadsheet. 3. Use named ranges. Named ranges are a great way to simplify complex formulas and make your spreadsheet more readable. Instead of using cell references like AB, B10 in your formulas, you can create a named range like sales data and refer to it in your formulas. This makes your formulas easier to understand and maintain. 4. Use the fill handle to quickly copy formulas and data. The fill handle is a small square in the bottom right corner of a cell. When you drag it down or across, it will automatically copy the formula or data in the cell to the adjacent cells. This is a great way to quickly fill in data and formulas without having to manually copy and paste. 5. Use data validation to control data entry. Data validation allows you to control what type of data is entered in a cell. For example, you can use it to limit data to certain values or to ensure that only dates are entered in a particular cell. This helps prevent errors and ensures that your data is accurate and consistent. 6. Use the freeze panes feature to keep headers visible. When working with large spreadsheets, it's often helpful to keep the column and row headers visible as you scroll through the data. You can do this by using the freeze panes feature, which allows you to lock specific rows or columns in place. This makes it easier to navigate your data and keep track of important information. 7. Use the group and outline features to organize data. The group and outline features allow you to group rows or columns of data together and collapse them to make it easier to navigate your spreadsheet. For example, if you have a large table of data, you can group rows by category and collapse them to see only the summary data. This makes it easier to understand your data and find the information you need. 8. Use Excel templates. Excel templates are pre-designed spreadsheets that you can use as a starting point for your own work. They are templates available for a wide range of tasks, from budgeting and financial analysis to project management and invoicing. Using templates can save you time and ensure that your work is consistent and professional. 9. Use the Find and Replace feature to quickly edit data. The Find and Replace feature allows you to search for specific text or data in your spreadsheet and replace it with something else. For example, if you want to change all instances of Inc. to Incorporated, you can use the Find and Replace feature to make the change quickly and easily. 10. Use Excel add-ins. Excel add-ins are small programs that you can install to extend Excel's functionality. There are add-ins available for a wide range of tasks, from data analysis and visualization to productivity and workflow management. Using add-ins can help you work more efficiently and get more done in less time. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many tips and tricks that you can use to work more efficiently in Excel. By mastering these techniques and exploring other features and tools available in Excel, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and create more accurate and insightful spreadsheets. Remember to always be open to learning new things and exploring new features in Excel, as this will help you stay ahead of the curve and become a true Excel power user. Additionally, taking the time to organize your data and use consistent formatting will make your spreadsheets easier to read and understand, whether you are using them for personal or professional purposes. With these tips and tricks in mind, you can take your Excel skills to the next level and unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. Examples of how to use shortcuts, customize Excel, and troubleshoot common issues. Excel is a powerful tool that can save you time and effort if you know how to use it efficiently. In this chapter, we will explore some tips and tricks to help you work more effectively with ChatGPT Excel. We will cover shortcuts, customization, and common issues that you may encounter. Shortcuts. Shortcuts are an essential aspect of using ChatGPT Excel efficiently. By memorizing key combinations or sequences, you can save time and reduce repetitive tasks. In this chapter, we'll explore some of the most useful Excel shortcuts and how to use them. 1. Basic navigation shortcuts. Navigating through an Excel spreadsheet can be time-consuming if you're only using your mouse. To speed up the process, try using these keyboard shortcuts. Move up or down one cell. Press the up or down arrow key. Move left or right one cell. Press the left or right arrow key. Move to the last cell in a row or column. Press Control arrow key. For example, to move to the last cell in the column, press Control down arrow key. 2. Cell selection shortcuts. Selecting a cell or a range of cells can also be accomplished with shortcuts. Select a range of cells. Click on the first cell in the range, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last cell in the range. Select a column. Click on the column letter at the top of the column. Select a row. Click on the row number on the left of the row. Select the entire worksheet. Press Ctrl A. Editing shortcuts. Editing in Excel is made easier with shortcuts. Edit the active cell. Press F2. Delete the contents of a cell. Press Delete or Backspace. Cut, copy, and paste. Press Ctrl X. Control C, and Control V, respectively. Undo and redo. Press Control Z and Control Y, respectively. 4. Formatting shortcuts. Formatting cells and worksheets in Excel can be a tedious task, but you can speed up the process with these formatting shortcuts. Bold, italicize, or underline text. Press Control B, Control I, and Control U, respectively. Apply strike through. Press Control 5. Add borders. Press Control Shift 7. Change font size. Press Control Shift and greater than key to increase font size, or Control Shift and lesser than to decrease font size. 5. Formula shortcuts. Excel formulas can be complex and difficult to remember. These shortcuts can help. Insert a formula. Press equal. Auto sum. Press Alt plus to sum the cells above the active cell. Absolute reference. Press F4 to switch between relative and absolute references. Insert a function. Press Shift F3 to open the Insert Function dialog box. 6. Navigation shortcuts. Excel can be intimidating with large data sets. Navigation shortcuts can make this task easier. Go to a specific cell, press Ctrl G to open the Go To dialog box. Jump to the first or last cell of a worksheet, press Ctrl plus Home to go to the first cell, and Ctrl End to go to the last cell. Navigate between worksheets. Press Ctrl Page Up or Ctrl Page Down to move between worksheets. 7. Other useful shortcuts. These shortcuts may not fit into any particular category, but they're still useful. Hide or unhide rows or columns. Press Ctrl 9 to hide rows or Ctrl 0 to hide columns. Zoom in or out. Press Ctrl plus to zoom in or Ctrl plus minus to zoom out. Save your worksheet. Press Ctrl S to save the worksheet. Print your worksheet. Press Ctrl P to print the worksheet. Customization. Customization is a powerful feature in many software applications, including ChatGPT Excel. With customization, users can personalize the software to suit their specific needs and preferences, making it more efficient and user-friendly. In this section, we will explore some examples of how to use customization in ChatGPT Excel. 1. Customizing the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable toolbar located above the ribbon where users can add frequently used commands. To customize the Quick Access Toolbar in ChatGPT Excel, follow these steps. 1. Click on the down arrow at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. 2. Select More Commands. 3. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Quick Access Toolbar. 4. In the left pane, select the command you want to add to the Quick Access Toolbar. 5. Click the Add button to move the selected command to the right pane. 6. Click OK to save the changes. Users can also remove commands from the Quick Access Toolbar by selecting the command in the right pane and clicking Remove. 2. Customizing the ribbon. The ribbon is a user interface element that contains tabs, groups, and commands in ChatGPT Excel. Users can customize the ribbon by adding or removing tabs, groups, or commands to suit their needs. To customize the ribbon in ChatGPT Excel, follow these steps. 1. Right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the Ribbon. 2. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Customize Ribbon. 3. To add a new tab, click on New Tab, then rename the tab and add groups and commands. 4. To add a new group, select the tab where you want to add the group, then click New Group and rename the group and add commands. 5. To add a command to a group, select the group, then click Add and select the command you want to add. 6. To remove a command, select the command, then click Remove. 7. Click OK to save the changes. 3. Customizing keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are a convenient way to quickly perform common tasks in ChatGPT Excel. Users can customize keyboard shortcuts by assigning their own shortcuts to commands or by changing existing shortcuts. To customize keyboard shortcuts in ChatGPT Excel, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File tab and select Options. 2. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Customize Ribbon. 3. Click on Customize at the bottom of the dialog box. 4. In the Customize Keyboard dialog box, select the command you want to customize. 5. In the Press New Shortcut Key field, press the key combination you want to use as the shortcut. 6. Click Assign to assign the new shortcut key. 7. Click Close to save the changes. Users can also reset all keyboard shortcuts to their default values by clicking the Reset All button in the Customize Keyboard dialog box. 4. Customizing themes. Themes are a collection of colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to a ChatGPT Excel workbook to create a consistent and professional appearance. Users can customize themes by creating their own themes or by modifying existing themes. To customize themes in ChatGPT Excel, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Page Layout tab and select Themes. 2. Select Customize Themes at the bottom of the Themes menu. 3. In the Customize Theme dialog box, select the theme you want to customize. 4. Change the colors, fonts, and effects as desired. 5. Click Save to the changes. Users can also create a new theme by clicking Save As and entering a name for the new theme. 5. Customizing cell styles. Cell styles are a collection of formatting options that can be applied to cells in ChatGPT Excel to create a consistent appearance. Users can customize cell styles by creating their own styles or by modifying existing styles. To customize cell styles in ChatGPT Excel, follow these steps. 1. Select the cell or range of cells you want to format. 2. Click on the Home tab and select Cell Styles. 3. Select New Cell Style at the bottom of the Cell Styles menu. 4. In the Style dialog box, enter a name for the new style. 5. Customize the formatting options such as font, borders, and fill color. 6. Click OK to save the new style. Users can also modify existing cell styles by selecting the style and clicking Modify in the Style dialog box. 6. Customizing conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in ChatGPT Excel that allows users to apply formatting to cells based on their values or contents. Users can customize conditional formatting by creating their own rules or by modifying existing rules. To customize conditional formatting in ChatGPT Excel, follow these steps. 1. Select the cell or range of cells you want to format. 2. Click on the Home tab and select Conditional Formatting. 3. Select Manage Rules at the bottom of the Conditional Formatting menu. 4. In the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box, select the rule you want to customize. 5. Click Edit Rule to modify the rule. 6. Customize the formatting options such as font, color, background color, and border styles. 7. Click OK to save the changes. Users can also create new conditional formatting rules by clicking New Rule in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box. Common issues. Excel is a powerful tool for data management and analysis, but like any software, it can have its share of issues. When using ChatGPT Excel, there are several common issues that users may encounter. In this chapter, we will explore some of these issues and provide tips and tricks for troubleshooting them. Issue number 1, Excel crashes or freezes. One of the most frustrating issues that Excel users may encounter is when the software crashes or freezes. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a lack of memory or compatibility issues with other software. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Save your work frequently. Excel has an autosave feature, but it is always a good idea to save your work frequently to avoid losing data. Close other applications. If you have other applications running on your computer, try closing them to free up memory and resources for Excel. Checking for compatibility issues. If you recently installed new software or updates, check to see if there are any compatibility issues with Excel. You can also try running Excel in compatibility mode. Increase the available memory. If your computer has limited memory, you can try increasing the available memory by closing other applications or adding more RAM to your computer. Issue number 2, Excel formulas not working. Excel formulas are a powerful tool for data analysis, but sometimes they may not work as expected. This can be frustrating, especially if you are working on a complex data analysis project. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Check for errors in the formula. One of the most common reasons why a formula may not work is because there is an error in the formula itself. Double check the formula to make sure it is correct and that all the cell references are accurate. Check for formatting issues. If the formula is referencing cells that have formatting applied, such as text formatting or conditional formatting, this can cause errors. Check the formatting of the cells to make sure it is consistent. Check for circular references. Circular references occur when a formula references the cell it is in or references another cell that references the original cell. This can cause errors in the formula. Check for circular references and resolve them. Check for data type errors. If the formula is referencing cells that have data type errors, such as a number in a cell that should contain text, this can cause errors. Check the data type of the cells and adjust the formula accordingly. Issue number 3, Excel is slow. If Excel is running slowly, this can be frustrating and can impact productivity. There are several reasons why Excel may be running slowly, such as large file size, complex formulas, or too many add-ins. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Disable add-ins. If you have multiple add-ins installed, try disabling some of them to see if this speeds up Excel. Use filtering. If you are working with a large data set, use filtering to limit the number of cells that Excel needs to calculate. Simplify formulas. If you are working with complex formulas, try simplifying them to reduce the number of calculations Excel needs to perform. Clear the clipboard. If you have copied a large amount of data to the clipboard, this can slow down Excel. Clear the clipboard to speed up Excel. Issue number 4, Excel is displaying the wrong data. If Excel is displaying the wrong data, this can be a serious issue, especially if you are working on a critical project. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Check for data entry errors. Double check the data entry to make sure the correct data was entered in the correct cells. Check for formatting issues. Check the formatting of the cells to make sure it is consistent and that the data is being displayed in the correct format. Check for hidden cells. If cells are hidden, this can cause the wrong data to be displayed. Unhide the cells to make sure the correct data is being displayed. Check for sorting or filtering issues. If you have sorted or filtered the data, this can cause the wrong data to be displayed. Double check the sorting and filtering to make sure it is correct. Issue number 5, Excel is not printing correctly. If you are having issues with printing in Excel, this can be frustrating, especially if you need to print out a report or data set. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Check printer settings. Double check the printer settings to make sure they are correct and that the correct printer is selected. Check for page setup issues. If the data is not printing correctly on the page, check the page setup to make sure it is correct. Check for print area issues. If you have set a print area, make sure it is correct and that all the data you need is included in the print area. Check for margins and scaling issues. If the data is not fitting on the page or is too small, check the margins and scaling to make sure they are correct. Issue number 6, Excel file is corrupt. If your Excel file becomes corrupt, this can be a serious issue, especially if you have important data in the file. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Try opening the file in a different version of Excel. Sometimes files can become corrupt when they are saved in a different version of Excel. Try opening the file in a different version to see if this resolves the issue. Use the Open and Repair feature. Excel has a built-in Open and Repair feature that can sometimes fix corrupt files. Try using this feature to repair the file. Use a third-party recovery tool. If the file is severely corrupt, you may need to use a third-party recovery tool to retrieve the data. Conclusion: Excel is a powerful tool that can help you work more efficiently if you know how to use it effectively. By using shortcuts, customizing the interface, and troubleshooting common issues, you can maximize your productivity with ChatGPT Excel. 8. Conclusion. Recap of the book's contents. ChatGPT Excel is a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to learn and master Microsoft Excel, particularly the version powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5 language model, ChatGPT. This book covers everything from the basics of Excel to advanced features, data analysis, business applications, collaboration, and tips and tricks for using ChatGPT Excel more efficiently. In the introduction, readers are introduced to ChatGPT Excel and its benefits. The first chapter, Getting Started with ChatGPT Excel, covers the basics of Microsoft Excel, its features, and how to install and set up ChatGPT Excel. The second chapter, Basic Excel Functions, covers basic functions such as entering data, formatting cells, and creating simple formulas. The third chapter, Advanced Excel Functions, covers more complex features such as pivot tables, charts, and macros. The fourth chapter, Data Analysis with ChatGPT Excel, covers how to use ChatGPT Excel for statistical analysis and data visualization. The fifth chapter, ChatGPT Excel for Business, covers how to use ChatGPT Excel for financial analysis, budgeting, and forecasting. The sixth chapter, Collaborating with ChatGPT Excel, explains how to collaborate with others using ChatGPT Excel for group projects and teamwork. Finally, the seventh chapter, Tips and Tricks for ChatGPT Excel, covers tips and tricks for using ChatGPT Excel more efficiently, including shortcuts, customizations, and troubleshooting common issues. ChatGPT Excel is a valuable source for anyone looking to master Microsoft Excel with a particular focus on the unique features and capabilities of ChatGPT Excel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Excel user, this book has something to offer to help you become more efficient and effective in your work. Final thoughts on ChatGPT XL and its usefulness. ChatGPT XL is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way people work with data. With its numerous features and functionalities, it has become an indispensable tool for businesses, individuals, and organizations. In this final chapter, we will discuss the overall usefulness of ChatGPT XL and how it has impacted the way we work with data. Firstly, ChatGPT XL has greatly improved the efficiency of data handling. With its ability to handle large amounts of data and perform complex calculations, users can complete tasks that would have taken hours, days, or even weeks to complete manually. ChatGPT XL's features such as formulas, macros, and pivot tables have greatly simplified the process of data analysis, allowing users to make informed decisions quickly and easily. Secondly, ChatGPT XL is an essential tool for businesses. It provides an easy way to organize and analyze data, allowing businesses to make informed decisions. It can be used for financial analysis, budgeting, forecasting, and data visualization. ChatGPT XL has also made it easier for businesses to collaborate and share data, improving communication and teamwork. Thirdly, ChatGPT XL is also useful for individuals. It can be used for personal finance, organizing and analyzing data, and creating reports. It's an essential tool for students, researchers, and professionals in various fields. ChatGPT XL's versatility makes it an important tool for anyone who works with data. Fourthly, ChatGPT XL's accessibility is also noteworthy. It is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. This means that users can access their data from anywhere and at any time. ChatGPT XL's use and availability has made it the go-to tool for handling data. Lastly, ChatGPT XL has had a significant impact on the way people work with data. It has greatly improved efficiency and accuracy, reduced manual labor, and improved collaboration. It has also made data handling more accessible and easier for everyone, regardless of their level of expertise. ChatGPT XL is a powerful tool that has greatly impacted the way we work with data. Its numerous features and functionalities have greatly improved efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration. It has become an essential tool for businesses, individuals, and organizations. ChatGPT XL's accessibility and ease of use have made it the go-to tool for handling data. It has revolutionized the way we work with data, and its impact will continue to be felt for years to come. Suggestions for further learning and resources. After reading ChatGPT Excel, you may want to explore additional resources and continue your learning journey. Here are some suggestions for further learning and resources. 1. Online courses. There are various online courses available to help you learn Excel, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Some popular websites that offer Excel courses including Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning. These courses offer a structured curriculum and often include video tutorials, quizzes, and assignments to help you learn at your own pace. 2. Microsoft's official Excel training resources. Microsoft offers official training resources for Excel users of all levels, including free online training courses and video tutorials. These resources cover a wide range of topics from basic functions to advanced features and are designed to help you become proficient in using Excel. 3. Excel forums and communities. Joining Excel forums and communities can be a great way to connect with other Excel users and get answers to your questions. Two popular Excel forums are Excel Forum and Mr. Excel, where you can find answers to common questions and share tips and tricks with other users. 4. Books. There are many books available in Excel that can help you deepen your knowledge and improve your skills. Some popular titles include Excel 2019 All-in-One for Dummies by Greg Harvey, Excel 2019 Bible by John Walkenbach, and Excel Dashboards and Reports by Michael Alexander. 5. Excel add-ins and plugins. There are various Excel add-ins and plugins available that can enhance your Excel experience and help you work more efficiently. Some popular add-ins include Power Query, Power Pivot, and Solver, which can help you automate tasks and perform complex analysis. 6. Excel conferences and events. Attending Excel conferences and events can be a great way to network with other users of Excel, learn about the latest Excel trends and features, and gain insights from experts in the field. Some popular Excel conferences include the Excel Summit South, the Excel Summit North, and the European Spreadsheet Risks Interest Group Conference. 7. YouTube tutorials. There are many YouTube channels dedicated to Excel tutorials and tips such as Excel Campus, Excel's Fun, and My Excel Online. These channels offer free video tutorials on a wide range of topics from basic functions to advanced features and are a great resource for visual learners. 8. Excel blogs. There are many Excel blogs available that provide tips, tricks, and tutorials on using Excel. Some popular Excel blogs include ExcelJet, Shandu, and Excel Campus. These blogs cover a wide range of topics and can help you stay up to date on the latest Excel trends and features. 9. Excel certifications. If you want to demonstrate your Excel proficiency to potential employers or clients, you may want to consider obtaining an Excel certification. Microsoft offers several Excel certifications, including the Microsoft Office Specialist MOS certification and the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate certification. 10. Excel templates. There are many Excel templates available that can help you save time and work more efficiently. Some popular Excel templates include budget templates, project management templates, and invoice templates. These templates can be customized to suit your specific needs and can help you streamline your work processes. In conclusion, there are many resources available to help you continue your learning journey with Excel. Whether you prefer online courses, books, forums, or events, there are many options to choose from that can help you deepen your knowledge and improve your skills. By continuing to learn and explore Excel, you can become a proficient and efficient user of this powerful software. Free book. Interested in more ChatGPT books? Download the next book here. AMZN.2/30DVJPV. Also, download free ChatGPT prompts guide here and sign up for my mailing list to find out when the next book comes out. bit.ly/free ChatGPT prompts or scan the barcode below. Thank you. If you enjoyed this book, Please share it, and it would mean so much to me if you could leave a review here or where you purchased this book, bit.ly/ChatGPTXL. Also, if you have a minute, follow me on Amazon, amzn.2/3and5mbee. Thanks again. About the author. The author of ChatGPT XL is Aquilia Awa, a technology expert and writer with a passion for exploring the latest advancements in AI and machine learning. With over 10 years of experience in the tech industry, Aquilia has worked with a variety of cutting edge technologies and has a deep understanding of how they can be applied to solve real world problems. In recent years, Aquilia has become particularly interested in the ways in which AI can be used to enhance the writing process. She has researched and experimented with a range of AI powered writing tools and platforms and has become a leading expert on the topic of AI in nonfiction writing. She's also a frequent speaker and panelist at technology conferences and events where she shares her insights and expertise with fellow writers and industry professionals. In ChatGPT XL, Aquilia draws on her extensive knowledge and experience to provide a comprehensive guide to using ChatGPT, one of the most advanced and powerful AI powered writing tools available today. Through her book, Aquilia hopes to help nonfiction writers of all levels of experience unlock the full potential of AI in their writing process and take their work to the next level. Subscribe to my newsletter, bit.ly/free ChatGPT prompts. Also by Aquilia Awa. Interested in more? The number of ChatGPT books is always growing. You may read the books in any sequence, and they are all available in Kindle, audiobook, paperback, and hardcover formats. This has been ChatGPT XL, a comprehensive guide to Microsoft Excel and data analysis by Aquilia Awa, narrated by Fritz Angelo.